Good morning, children. Today we are going to do grammar revision, chapter 2, singular and plural. We have learned there are different ways of making plurals from singular nouns. Now make plurals from the following nouns. Put the nouns under the correct columns. What it means over here in the box, nouns are given. All are mixed, singular and plural. Here nouns are given, right? So we have to put these nouns by making them plural in the columns which is given. One column is for add s, second add es, change y to ies, no change, change the word. So now we'll start with the words and we'll see the nouns goes in which columns. Okay, first is girl. So girl will be in add s. We have to add s after l, so it is one girl, it will become more than one, so it is girls. Berry, berry, berry. Now you can see in the ending y is there, so it will go in, change y to ies. Why? Because y is the ending word, so we have to make berry into plural by adding ies, so it becomes berries. cat, cat. So cat is there, so before t, a is there. A is a vowel, T is a consonant, so it will be add S. So it will become cats. Box, box. It will go in ES. Box, ES, boxes. Street, it will go in S. Add S. street, streets. Sandwich, so it will go in ES, sandwiches. Mouse. Mouse will fully change the word, so it will be mice, IMICE, mice. Book, so we have to add s, so it will be books. Fox, so it will be foxes. Baby, again y has come, so it will be in babies, IES column. Moose, so it will be in add es, mooses. Sky, y is there, so it will be skies, SKIES. Deer, no change, it will be in no change column. Goose, it will be in change the word only, so it will be GEESE, it will go in geese. Boy, so it will be in add S column, boys. Tooth, it will be in change word, teeth. Dog, dogs, add S. Father, so it will be no change. Lunch, it will be in which column? Lunches, it will be ES. Shoe, it will be in S, shoes. Branch, branches, it will be in ES, branches. Glass, glasses. Puppy, puppies, IES. Fish, no change, so it will be in no change column. Man, it will change the word, so MEN, man. Caesar, so it will be in S, scissors. Life, 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 so it will be in which column? IES, it will be LIVES, change the word only, it will be. Bug, so it will be S, bugs. Church, so it will be churches. Sheep, no change, it will be in no change column. Fly, again y is there, so IES, flies. Woman, change word, so it will be woman. Monkey, so it will be in S, monkeys. Bush, ES, bushes. Foot, fit. Peach, peaches. Teacher, teachers. Clock, clocks. Cherry, cherries, it will be. Child, so it will be children. So I hope you must have understood this exercise. Over here simple nouns are given. We have to Remember to add S, ES, change Y into IES, no change, change word in the column, and we have to do the write them in the correct column. Now we'll go to the next page. Now write which of the following are singular and which are plural. Write which of the following are singular and which are plural. See, first is what? Fairies. So fairies is what? Plural or singular? What is the spelling of fairy? Fairy. So that becomes singular. But after removing it y, we have add ies, so it becomes plural. So it is fairies. Glass. Glass is singular only. If we add es, become glasses. Doors. After rs is add, so it is more than one, so it is plural. Doors. Babies. baby is singular. babies is plural. Babies. Taxes. texas is singular. Taxes. taxes, it is a plural form. Now make plurals of the following singular noun. Now over here singular nouns are given, we have to make plural of it. Tray, trays. Loaf, loaves. loaves, loaves. Ox, oxen. Tooth, teeth. Ours. Size, size. So you can see over here what we have added. All these are singular and we have made it into plural. Now make singular of the following plurals. Deer, deer only. Scarf, scarves. So over here we have to make singular. So we had just scarf, scarf. echoes, that is echo. So what we'll write over here? Singular. echo, echo, echo. Fireman, you can see over here men, man is there. So what we'll write over here? man, fire man. Valleys, s is there, so we make singular valley. Mice, it becomes mouse. Now correct the errors in the sentences. This tree has many branch. This tree has many. See over here many is there, but branch is written singular. So what will write in plural? This tree has many branches. Many branches. A cat has 9 lives. NINE, 9 is more than one. So a cat has 9 lives. LIVES, lives. I bought 4 apples. So what I'll write? I bought 4 apples. What I'll write? 4 apple, because 4 is there and it is more than one. This book are mine. So what will you write? These books are mine. Over here you can see after K S is said, but over here it is written in singular form. So what we will write over here? These books are mine. I saw 2 women in the shop. Now over here 2 is also given, but woman spelling you check it out. WOMAN. Now WOMAN is used for singular. We have to make it plural. So what will you write? I saw 2 women in the shop. What we did? We add MEN, E in the last between M and N. The house is full of mice. The house is mouse. The house is full of mice. What is the mouse ka plural? It is mice. So we will repeat once again. Write which of the following are singular, which are plural. Fairies, plural. Glass, singular. Doors, plural. Babies, plural. Taxis, singular. Taxis, plural. Make plurals of the following singular nouns. Tray, trays. loaf, loaves, ox, oxen, tooth, teeth, hours, hours, size, size. Make singulars of the following plural nouns: deer, deer, scarves, scarf, echo, echo, fireman, fireman, valleys, valley, mice, mouse. Correct the error in the sentences. This tree has many branch. This tree has many branches. A cat has 9 lives. A cat has 9 lives. I bought 4 apples. I bought 4 apples. These books are mine. These books are mine. I saw 2 women in the shop. I saw 2 women in the shop. The house is full of mouse. The house is full of mice. Now we'll look at the next exercise. Make plurals of the nouns. What we have to do? We have to make plural of the nouns. Sister, sisters. We have add s. Planet, planets. Wand, wands. Ditch, ditches. Insect, insects. Pyrite, pyrites. Patch, patches. Barn, barns. Volcano, volcanoes. Mango, mangoes. Change the underlined nouns to their plural forms in the given sentences. You may have to change the verbs and pronouns in the sentences accordingly. Let's see, we'll do the exercise. The boy played with his friend in the park. So what will you do? Change the underlined noun. Now over underlined noun, what is given? Boy, to their plural form. So we add s, so it became boys. You may have to change the verb and pronoun also. Played with his, again friend is underlined, that is singular. We made it into plural, so it is friends in the park. B, she bought a loaf of bread and a packet of biscuit. So we'll write, she bought a loaves of bread. She bought loaves of bread and packets of biscuit. So LOAF, loaf becomes LOAVES, loaves. PACKET, packet, so it becomes packets, more than one. I have an orange or an apple every day. I have oranges or apples every day. Orange and apple is underlined and we have to make it plural. So what we did? After ES and even apple after E we add S. So it becomes plural. There is a good movie on TV in the evening. There is a. So what we'll write? There it is. So there are good movies on TV in the evenings. Evening is underlined, we have add s, so it becomes evenings. And movie is underlined, we'll have movies, s we have add. The child plays a game in the afternoon. So what we'll write? The child. Child becomes children. And game we add s, so it became games. The children play games in the afternoon. Write the singular nouns of the plurals. We have to write the singular noun of the plurals. Toys, toy. What is over here? What is over here? Toys. We have written toy, that is singular. Butterflies. We have written butterfly. Leaves, leaf. Calves, calf. Thieves, thief. Pastries, pastries. Kites, kite. Halves, half. Machines, machine. Copies, copy. So what we did, all these are plural form. What are they? They are plural. We have to write into singular. Same, all these were plural and we wrote into singular. So I hope you have understood this exercise. We'll go to the next page. Some nouns change their spellings to become plurals. Check if you remember such nouns. change the singulars into plural. What we have to do? We have to change it singular into plural. Example is given. M-A-N, man. M-A-N, man. So plural it becomes M-E-N, man. What it becomes? M-E-N, man. Tooth, teeth. What it is? Tooth, teeth. Tooth, teeth. Goose, geese. Goose. We have what done? Over here double O is there. We have written double E. So it becomes more than one. So it is change the singulars into plural. So goose, geese. Woman, woman. Mango, mangoes. Bamboo, bamboos. Louse, lice. Ox, oxen. Foot, feet. Mouse, mice. Child, children. Once again we will say the words man, man. Man, man. Goose, geese. Goose, geese. Woman, woman. Woman, woman. Mango, mangoes. Mango, mangoes. Bamboo, bamboos. Louse, lice. Ox, oxen. Foot, feet. Mouse, mice. Child, children. So dear children, please complete this work in your grammar notebook. I hope you have understood the lesson, chapter 2, singular and plural. Do this work with neat and good handwriting in your grammar notebook. Thank you.